Well, just signed my portion of the contract of the Wilder versus Fury fight. It is officially on, ladies and gentlemen. This fight is definitely on, man, and I can't wait, man. It's going to be an exciting fight. It's going to be an explosive fight. And it's going to be one for the legacy. Definitely one for my legacy. You got the WBC heavyweight champion of the world versus the lineal champion. And it's going to be a pleasure. The two best heavyweights competing against each other. The best fighting the best. Giving the people what they want. And this is what we're doing. I just beat, in my opinion, one of the best heavyweights in Luis Ortiz, and now I'm going for the next best in the heavyweight division, and ain't nobody doing this shit. Announcement next week, baby. Let's go, Bomb Squad!
Damn. Yeah. Yeah.